So we met crash victim from Johnny's bike shop. Mr. Call.
Bro, come on. I already have this reputation. You gotta do this to me.
Good morning. Welcome back to another gorgeous morning. Yeah, my look's back. Bike's back. I'm super happy. Praveen from Sedate Bikes, Pune. Man, massive shout out to you. Like, any of you all have a broken carbon fiber frame, or if you want to make something like a chain ring, reach out to Praveen. I'm gonna put his link down there, so check him out. Yeah, this was interval training. I did a ramp test the other day, miserably failed. I mean, I knew my FTP was definitely down, but so down? I mean, multiple factors I had to deal with that day. Did a lot of street riding, didn't eat good food, didn't have enough rest. I hope you can see me in the sun behind me. Yeah, I had a really bad FTP number, it was 200. But I'm pretty sure my FTP is at 220, so presently I've set my workouts to a 220 watt FTP. But I'm going to do another ramp test next week in more favorable conditions. So one more interval remaining. I lost Madhu somewhere. Damn, it feels good to be back on the road bike.
Wake up, I take the sheets off my shoulders. I'm so done, I'm tired of.
It was done. Feels good. Feels really good actually. I think the 220 watt setting was somewhere on point. So gonna be Madhu now. He's somewhere here in Hesagata at the chai shop, I think. And we'll stop for a chai and yeah, back home. Beautiful morning. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna keep coming to Hesagata to do my intervals. You missed it. I'm back at you.
Got me thinking, oh my, like oh no, I think I need wake up. I take the sheets off my shoulders. I'm so done.
Good morning. Welcome back to another day of intervals. Today I am at Hills. So I just smashed my way here, which I shouldn't have. Did my first interval, and I'm going to do the rest of them on the climb. I'm not cooked, but yeah, gonna get there very soon. I'm just look at this. Gorgeous. So me and Shaurya, he's up ahead. He's already started doing his intervals on the climb. I'm running a bit late today, which is why I smashed it. Yeah. So we met crash victim from Johnny's bike shop, Mr. Call.
Bro, come on. I already have this reputation. You gotta do this to me.
Let's see. Whoa! Snapped hanger, no holes. Blood on the knees.
Snap leg.
Snap leg.
Snapped hand.
Hand.
Check out the ass.
Oh, nice. Fuck, dude.
Tired of my same life, my routine got me thinking, oh my, like oh no, I think I need change, something different, run into the lights despite the distance, cause I can't bear it.
One of the odds of catching you. Yeah. On the road. On the road. How's the ride so far, bro?
It's gotta be something.
At least you're wearing a helmet. The last time you didn't even wear a helmet.
Yeah.
And you get a Yalanka.
That's true. I'm learning from a master.
That's the camera doing the...
Barricades, I break them in the gate so I can walk right through them so easy. Blooming, I'm peachy, game fluid like Fiji, name brewing like ginger tea. None could ever hinder me, leaving all my phobias and doubts. I'm a dog, not a pussy now. Get your fingers out of me, out of my face. I put you into your place.